Hello, sir. Welcome to Totally Not a Scam Phone Repair. How can I help you today?
Hey, I dropped my phone. I just want to see if I can have it fixed.
Yeah, I got you, man. It'll be in a little bit.
3 hours later.
Sorry for the wait, man. Here's your phone.
What? This isn't my phone. What kind of a business are you running here?
So he scammed you?
Yeah, now I'm stuck with this thing.
You check if the business was BBB certified?
BBB? What the heck's the BBB?
The BBB certification gives you businesses that you can trust and give you a better experience. Like that phone repair guy, I don't think he was BBB certified.
You can say that again.
So make sure your businesses are BBB certified so you can get a greater and better experience.
Who are you talking to?